Hi, I'm Josh. I run the youth program here at Urban Workshop, and I'm here to talk through what your students will do in Level 3. So Level 3 is really exciting. It's where we start to build on those skills that they've developed in the first two levels. And often the first place we start is with a sheet metal toolbox. So this is actually an aluminum toolbox that, as you can see here, starts as a flat piece of metal. They have to bend it on the brake, cut it on the shear, cut it with tin snips, drill holes. We teach them how to use klecos to temporarily hold things, and then they rivet it all together, as you can see here, for a completed toolbox. So this is their first experience really laying out a metal piece and then seeing how it all comes together, starting in 2 dimensions but actually ending in 3 dimensions. Next up we have the welded metal sculpture. So this is where they get to take their welding skills that they started to develop in Level 2 and actually build on them and see how they can connect metal components. They get a lot of creative freedom in this class, and they essentially can build whatever they want from the components that we have, and we see all kinds of amazing and creative sculptures and ideas. So this is one. We've got the X-Wing fighter, I believe is what this is trying to be, for another one. And then we've had just hundreds and hundreds of really creative and cool projects here. So this is MIG welding, this is metal work, this is cutting with band saws and filing and preparing to weld and finishing the piece off at the end. So this is a really cool project for students who are creative and who are looking to find an outlet for that creativity. And then we have we build on Arduino, and again in the first 2 levels they're introduced to the Arduino coding platform, I suppose you can call it. It's physical computing, and they'll actually make a fully functional robotic finger that's a part of an entire robot that kind of makes a motion like this when they finish it. So they'll wire it up, they'll write the code, they'll assemble the actual 3D printed finger all themselves, and by the time they leave they'll have a fully functional robotic finger. And the last project, and the one that is probably the crowd favorite, is we take their woodshop skills to the next level. In Level 2 they make a keepsake box. In Level 3, they make a fully functional glue-up longboard. So they do all of the cutting on the table saw, and the planing and the routing and the shaping, and everything on the skateboard is done by the students. And so this really takes their skills to the next level, and it's a fun project to take home and show off to family and friends and to actually use. Thank you.